Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Go Kyung and Seon's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of overseas subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Go Kyung and Seon. Both of them had something in common. Themself is strong and honor is important. This analysis shows their fortune harmony. In fact, only two of them know right? So what's the difference between their fortunes? I'm going to start analyzing it right now. Or kiss. Just kidding, sorry. Go Kyung on the left, the letter meaning himself is negative fire. Negative fire is likened to a candle or a moon, and it is thoughtful and caring. Seon on the right is negative land. Negative land is very realistic, has strong vitality, and has a modesty. Go Kyung-pyo's fire energy supports Seon's land energy. They two have a good relationship. Both of them seem to be a bit passive and quiet because they are both negative energy. But their hidden passion was enormous. What kind of structure are they two? The heart marks are popular characters, and both of them have the most attractive characters in the most powerful position marked 3. And the letters are the same. They are already showing off their attraction to each other. This letter is an energy equivalent to fire energy, and it gives off a hot and passionate charm. That's cool. And just below the letter that points to them is their feelings for their spouse or girlfriend and boyfriend. Go Kyung-pyo on the left has a strong desire to give love and care. He wants to give love, but Seon has a strong desire to be loved. They are in good harmony with each other harmony. But what do real spouses look like? Go Kyung-pyo's girlfriend or spouse is very busy. Maybe his spouse will act the same. And she looks very beautiful too. She must be popular because she is very busy. Seon is combined with her spouse or boyfriend. She has lived a quiet life with few scandals so far, and she probably knows that if she gives her heart, she will think of marriage and have a boyfriend. Once she's in a real relationship, she does not break up easily. And her boyfriend or spouse is very devoted to her. Both of them have great spouses. From this point on, they get a very similar part. Both of them are combining the letters that point to them with the letters right next to them. The letters in green are joined together, but the letters that point to them and the letters that combine are both related to their honor. Both of them have a lot of craving for fame. So they too are always trying to be exemplary. They hate being criticized by people. They pursue to be praised and recognized very much. But Go Kyung-pyo has the same energy as himself because of the red circle. He is a fire himself, but he's full of fire energy again. Even if he's aiming for honor, sometimes he will have a hard time because of his fiery personality. Hyun's red part is fire, but her energy is land, so it helps her. In this case, she listens to others well, especially her mother and seniors, and is very nice. However, both of them are very fiery, so their personalities often burn like fire, and they sublimate them well into acting. Also, Go Kyung has excellent physical intelligence because he has a strong fire energy like himself. He has an edge over others in dance and physical activity. Hyun must be very good at writing and collecting information and organizing among language intelligence. They too look different, but they are pursuing honor, and both of them have strong fire energy, so they are going to act with their soul in it. Maybe they will have a wonderful love that burns up rather than slowly approaching them even if they bloom love. I don't know about their ability, but if they fall in love, I hope them have a wonderful love. Thank you. Subscribe. Thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.